you guys, welcome back to another video.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
In today's video, I'm going to be doing a really cute design, and I'm starting off using the No C Curve Tapered Square XXL nail tips. They are absolutely stunning. Check them out. They're available now on the website. I'm coming in with Crystal Clear, and I'm going to be applying a nice base to start off this set. Also, whilst I'm at it, don't forget to hit that notification bell and select all notifications. YouTube is cray at the minute, not sending out notifications to like a lot of my subscribers. I've seen it on the analytics and it's so super sad. But yeah, if you can just pop there, it's literally just under the video, click the bell, tap all notifications, and then fingers crossed everybody can get notified. But yeah, back to the video. I'm just coming in with the Crystal Clear Acrylic and my brush, and I'm just applying a nice base on the nail bed, blending that down the nail just to create a nice even layer, and then we can come in with our design. I'm using Toasted Rose as my cover powder for this set, and one of the new glitters, which is called Wi-Fi. Absolutely stunning, living for it. If you've seen the swatch videos, I absolutely love it, so stunning. I wanted to use two powders, Grape Pop and Grape Soda. However, I didn't end up using the premix glitter acrylic. I just used this one. Sometimes it's like that, you kind of choose a few different colours, and then as you are creating the set, it's like, you know what, I'm just going to stick to this one or just these two, and don't feel like constricted. Like if you've chosen 4 colours but you just want to end up using 2 of them, do it. Obviously when you're creating and in that process, there's a reason why you don't feel like putting it in there, because it's just not a mood. Do you know what I'm saying? You got to go with the flow. So I've applied Grape Pop to the tip of this nail. Now Grape Pop is a duo marble powder, which means you can use it as a marble powder, or if you do long sweeping motions, it will be a solid colour. So I've applied that to the free edge of this nail, and then I've come in with a nice bead of Toasted Rose at the cuticle, and then I've blended that down over the top to create a nice ombre. Now that I've done the ombre, I've picked up a nice bead of the Wi-Fi loose glitter. I just picked up a bead of clear, then dipped that into my glitter, and then now I'm applying that to the nail. I'm applying it where the blend is, and then I'm going to blend it down the nail and up the nail so it's kind of like fizzling out. I absolutely love this type of design. I think it looks super cute, and you can incorporate it into pretty much any set that you want. Moving on to this next nail, we are going to go ahead and do a complete nail of Toasted Rose, because later on in the video, once I've capped and filed everything, we're going to be hand painting a French and sugaring that on, but I wanted to start with a base of Toasted Rose. I also just wanted to let you guys know as well that my new upload times are going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays at 7:30 p.m. Every single week it will be the same, so Tuesday and Thursday 7:30 UK time. Be here, check out my new videos, because that is my new schedule. That way I can just keep to it and keep consistent. At the minute I don't have a schedule, so I'm kind of uploading whenever, wherever, and it's just crazy. It's hard to keep up with, so I need a schedule and I need to be more organised. So that is the new times, every Tuesday and Thursday at 7:30 p.m. I'm just going to add a little bit more at the free edge just to make sure that that's a nice thickness, and then flip my brush around and blend that up the nail. Now for this nail, if you guys are wondering, it doesn't need capping since it is a complete core powder. We don't have any glitter on there that needs protecting or any design work or anything like that. We can just leave this nail as it is and just file and shape it once it's set. So I'm moving on to the next nail, and I'm coming in with Great Pop at the free edge. I'm going to blend that down the nail and use it almost like a paint, just applying that acrylic onto the tip. I'm then going to come in with the Y-Fit loose glitter at the cuticle and blend that down the nail into the lilac Great Pop powder. I absolutely love this combination. I think it looks absolutely stunning. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know what it is about purples and just lilacs. It's just a whole mood. Like, honestly, I absolutely love it. And I love how this set turned out. So now I'm going to go ahead and we are moving on to the pinky finger. I'm just coming in with Toasted Rose and Great Pop, and we're going to do a nice marble nail design. So the Great Pop acrylic really helps with this since it's already a duo marble powder. You're going to get different shades of lilac and purple in there. So you're going to get like a deeper purple and then a more lilac lighter shade, and then we have the Toasted Rose, so it looks absolutely stunning together. A very subtle marble, but really pretty, and just really complements the entire set. So I'm coming in first with the cuticle area, and I'm just getting that bead nice and neat, making sure to tuck that product in. You don't want any ridge there, you don't want a bump or to be able to feel that area, so make sure it is nice and flush with the nail plate. That way you're going to make sure you get the best long-lasting nails. After I've been applied the cuticle bead, I blend that down into the nail, and then we can start working on the main body of the nail. So I'm just applying my beads in quite large wet form because we want to be able to marble it and move it around. And then I'm swiping them and moving them around and then blending them down the nail. So now that the acrylic design is applied and I'm happy with everything, this is where we are at. I'm just giving you guys a close-up look and some different angles so you can really see the details and just how beautiful this set is looking so far. Also, if you are wondering, I'm using the Relaxed Pose practice hand and they are available on the website, so check out the list of everything. All the products that I'm using will be listed below, along with a link to my website and a coupon code for 5% off your order. So the next step for this set is to encapsulate everything. So I'm coming in with my Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic Powder, and I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate all of the nails, making sure to make them nice and even and focusing on the structure of the nails and building the apex at this point as well. So I went ahead and filed and buffed the nails off camera, and this is how they are looking. I am living for the new No C Curve nail tips. They are absolutely stunning. They are our longest nail tips that we stock on the website. We have them available in square and coffin, so if you love long nails, you need to check them out for real. Now we're going to come in with super gloss. So this is our no wipe gel top coat, and I'm going to go ahead and give the nails a really nice layer of that and cure it in the light for a full 60 seconds. So this is how the set is looking now that it's top coated. It looks super juicy and glossy, and I am living for it, to be honest. It looks absolutely gorgeous. If you agree, please let me know down below. If this is not your thing, you can also let me know as well, but please be kind to my feelings. Anyway, next step, we are coming in with our gel polish and our glitter. We are doing a sugared French nail. I have been loving this type of design. I've been loving mixing up textures and adding in different kind of looks to a nail set, you know, making it like just a mixture of all different textures. I think it just really pops and looks fantastic. So I'm going to be using Thistle, which is the lilac gel polish, and the Baddest liner brush. I'm going to go ahead and paint on our smile line. So I start at one side. Accidentally did that, didn't mean to. Not that it mattered anyway. I'm starting at one side, coming down in a straight angle, going to the other side and doing the same. Then I'm going to go ahead and come straight across the tip as far down as we want the smile line to go. And then we're going to do a line in the center of that to give us our center point, and then we're going to go ahead and join the curve into the middle of that line, and that is going to give us our basis of our French smile line. It's a super easy technique, super easy to do, and it just gives you a rough guide on how to do a smile line with great proportions, so that it's not going to be kind of wonky and off to one side. And if it is still a little bit off to one side, you've got the basics down, you can kind of adjust it if you need to. So I'm then just using the Baddest liner brush to refine that smile line, and then I'll come in with my gel polish, fill in the rest of the nail, and then we can add the glitter, which is the best part. Absolutely love sugared French nails. So I'm using this loose glitter. Why did I just talk like that? I'm using this loose glitter, which is called Violet. It's absolutely stunning. It has like blue iridescent reflex and it's just super gorgeous. So I haven't cured my gel polish yet, and I'm just taking a pop stick, scooping up some glitter, making sure to cover the entire area that I've painted, tipping from side to side so that I get every little bit covered in glitter. Then I'm going to tap off the excess and cure that in the light for a full 60 seconds. Do not dust any glitter off until you have cured it in the light. If you dust it off beforehand, you're going to end up smudging everything because it's not set in place. So just tap the side of the finger, let some of the glitter fall off, and then pop it in the light, cure for that 60 seconds. Then we can take it out, dust it off, and reveal the absolute magic that is a sugared French tip. Look at that. My gosh, it's absolutely divine, living for it. But yeah, I'm going to apply some cuticle oil to the hand and then show you guys some final close-ups and the final look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, and check out my products. I'll list and link them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.